Affordable luxury dupes at places you already shop. First stop, drugstore beauty finds. The NYX Fat Oil is a fantastic dupe for that, well, crazy expensive one from you-know-who. Reach for the e.l.f. Halo Glow if you are a fan of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. If you like Drunk Elephant Illuminating Drops, try this one from L'Oreal. Now for some huge cocktail dupes at Costco. You like Casamigos? Kirkland Tequila is apparently made by the same folks. And look who's behind their vodka. We're gonna put this one back. So a Grey Goose connection there, a Bombay connection here, and save over 50% on their French champagne by these fancy folks. On to looks for less. Fashion dupes, head to Target. Check out these guys. This UGG copycat can save you 65%. Lulu Luxury Lemon. Wait, what? Trust me, these are an amazing dupe. The pockets, they're a must for me. This Skims dupe is a dead ringer and a crazy savings. Follow for more easy tips.